Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today, price made a very solid move this afternoon. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying, no, the price didn't make a good solid move. Everybody would agree, bulls definitely had a very nice afternoon and closed out the week very strong. But that does lead into the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And that answering that revolves around a single point right here at 0008. And before I go any further, we just got to get this level updated. And this is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So let's change this red line into green. And again, the key thing there is you want to see them act as support. So that's going to be what helps us, gauging the question going forward, because hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with genuine power, with true strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was. The price is going to progress forward, right? I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, has true strength, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about the 0008 mark. Any sort of closes below it or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is it doing to the price at that point in time? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this channel where it's been stuck for weeks upon weeks. You don't want to see the price going back. You want to see progress forward. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but let's just pretend it pulls back there, bounces around the top of the channel, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this next overall set of lows down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps now making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is. It's going to make progress as time unfolds. And in this case, I'm defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as 0008. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about 0012 at this point in time. You can see on a couple different instances today, bulls try to get up through there this afternoon, but couldn't quite do it. So 0012, public enemy number 1 going into next week. Any way you slice it, though, very powerful close to the week. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.